If you want to manifest miracles in your life, you've got to start doing something different.
Manifesting miracles this has been my second one, and manifesting miracles is the most amazing event because you get to figure out where you are in your enlightenment, where you want to be in your desire to help people, and you figure that out, and then you get an action plan, because you can't get anything if you don't take action, right? So you get an action plan to get everything going, okay? Manifesting miracles, to get to do it for this second time has been the most enlightening event that I've done yet.